with love, okay?
I'm ready.
Bless his heart.
Bless him, Lord.
J. Moss, in the time you've been sitting there, during a normal day, you would have tweeted 15 times.
Very true.
And then farted twice.
During that same amount of time, you would have checked in 2 Foursquares, at least twice.
Yes.
Don't catch on.
J. Moss,
I don't say your boo-boo language.
I'm quite sure you care more about your computer than you do about your car.
Yeah, oh, this
This is
very
true.
much so.
Okay, so we're going to bring you car later. Let's see.
That was cool.
Alright,
Perfect.
cool. J-Moss, for the last thing, me and Tyler were thinking about what we were going to do, and we decided we would do a top 10. Okay? J-Moss, 10. The least number of hours you slept in a day. J-Moss, 9. That's how many feet you could pull up when you park in our driveway.
Oh! Yes, son! Yes! Yeah, pull up when you park, dude. Yes.
J-Moss, 8. How many times you eat Taco Bell in a week?
Shit, in a day. And you have IBS. Like, I don't know why you persist.
That's number 4. We're not there. J-Moss, 7. That's how many days in the week you would have had to take out the trash had you not bought that.
You don't like that.
J-Moss, 6. Megabytes per second. That's how much bandwidth you leave us when you download movies.
Dude, for real, for real. Yeah.
What's up, Internet?
J-Moss, you got that. Boom. Roast. J-Moss, 5. Number of times you farted when you met Marcus's family.
Yes! Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I will never forget that. Ever forget that, okay?
I totally did.
You so did. You so did.
J-Moss,
That's
4.
wrong.
Number of roommates you pissed off when you caught a meeting about how often you take
Oh, God.
J-Moss, 3. Number of days you kept your New Year's resolution, waking up before noon.
Oh! It was more.
There was some debate on the 4th day.
There's always
J-Moss,
next
2.
year.
The number of lenses you needed before you were convinced you should launch your own photography website.
Alright. Get
Tell them how many
it.
ones we have.
We have 4 1, 3 1,
5.
4 1.
Okay.
J-Moss, 1. It's the number of minutes you knew April before you asked her to set you up on a date.
Not bad.
No fatty.
No fatty.
J-Moss, 1. The number of more hours you asked for after you've been playing Call of Duty for 7 straight.
Stop a while ago.
J-Moss, 1. The number of bites it took for you to fall in love with cheesecake.
Oh.
That sets up this last one.
Yeah.
J-Moss, 1. Number of foodgasms you had after you ate that cheesecake.
Ah!
And lastly, J-Moss, 0. That's the number of dates you've been on this year that I haven't also been on.
Oh! Boom! Roasted.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it with some cookie cake, okay?